Hello friends, this is Christian Lu of Christian Lu Vlogs, and today is Flowers Day. I'm going to show you how to make your gift extra special, like this necklace here. Of course, this is not original stones. This necklace is from Zara. So I'm going to show you how to make your gift extra special, or any jewelry that you would like to give to your loved ones or your friends. How to make it extra special by arranging it with fresh flowers like this. But before anything else, please do subscribe to my channel, Christian Lu Vlogs, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I upload new videos. So join me, guys. So, I've made it here in Hollywood Hills. This is Christian Lu, and welcome to my channel. This necklace has a multicolored stones in it, or jewels. It has red, light yellow, light pink, clear, light purple. So my original plan was to use all white flowers to make the color of the necklace stand out. But I have changed my mind. I have decided that I will use multicolored flowers just to blend with the color of the stones. So now I'm going to show you the materials, or the flowers that we're going to use. Okay, so the most important thing, I guess, is the stand. Then it is a necklace stand or a jewelry stand. You can put an earring here or the necklace here, and you can find it in a gift shop, or I think in the Daiso they have. And of course, we need a tray as a base for our arrangement. Then we need a floral foam. And these are the flowers that I am going to use. These are cabbage roses, astomeria, carnation. I chose light greens. Then these roses, these shades of roses. We have cappuccino, light purple, fuchsia, double colored pink, beige, light orange, and I also have baby roses, light pink and purple. And this flower, honestly, I don't know what's the name of this flower. And pink hydrangea. So the pink hydrangea, I have decided to put it here on top of the head. It would represent the hair, you know, and then it will match also the colors of the stones. So let's start. First, cut a small part of the floral foam for the head. Just enough for the head part, no? So now we have to stick this floral foam. It's actually wet already with water. We have to stick it in this part. So what we do is to put scotch tape first here in this part, so that it will really stick. The glue will really stick to the surface. So we're going to tape it here. And put also a scotch tape on the middle of the foam, like this. Put a glue. And stick the floral foam. So now we can put the pink hydrangeas on top. Now we are going to position the mannequin, the mini mannequin, on our base or on our tray. So I don't want it to be in the middle. I want it to be a little backward, so that the flowers in front will it will be all covered with the flowers. Okay, so again, we're gonna put a tape here on this part, the part where we will place the stand. And then you have to also put a tape on the stand on the bottom part. And then glue it on our base or on the tray. Next is we will put the floral foam here in front. So we will cut like two small rectangles. Here one and here the other. So again, we have to put a tape on this part so that the floral foam will really stick on the base. So after we have positioned everything, the stand, the floral foam, we have the hair, we will go to the fun part, the putting of the fresh flowers. So here's our final product. Okay, I just added one anthurium and one stem of cymbidium, white cymbidium. So now we are going to put the gift or the necklace. Okay. So here's our final product, guys, with the gift, the necklace. I know some of you might say that the flowers or the arrangement is overwhelming, or it might overshadow the gift or the necklace. But I don't think that is the case, because in person, the necklace is really flashy. It's really shiny. The stones are really shiny. So the necklace will still stand out. The flowers, even though I use multicolored flowers, I don't think that it will overshadow the gift. So the gift will still stand out. So the main actor in this arrangement is still the gift. So thank you so much for joining me, guys. I really like what I did, actually. And thank you so much. And to those who haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, Christian Lou Vlogs. And to those who subscribed already, thank you so much. And remember, we are all worthy of God's love. And see you in my next video. Thank you.